Hello, it's the Burrito Emperor, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to solve a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. And what I wanted to say is that I'm sorry for not making a video in like a week. Oh my gosh, I can't count. I'm dying. Save me. No, JK, I'm not dying. Yeah, and I always end up saying this like every time I miss a week at the beginning of the next episode that I make. I'm always like, hey guys, I just wanted to say sorry, and like sorry that I have to say sorry so many times because I'm really sorry. And never mind, let's just get on with the video. Right, okay. So basically, let me just mix it up and I'll pause. Okay, now that the cube is mixed up, I'll show you the first step, which is called the daisy formation. So what you want to do is locate the opposites of each color. So no matter how much you turn your cube, every centerpiece is always going to have an opposite, and that's never going to change. So no matter how many times I move, the yellow and the green are always going to be opposite, and same with all of them. White, oh my gosh, orange and blue, the white and pink, and yeah. So what you want to do is make like 4 little white squares around the pink, or just the opposite color, whichever one you choose. I choose white. I want to solve the white side first, so what I'm going to do is get all these pieces. Oh my gosh, I just don't know what to say, do I? Yeah, so I'll get all of those white pieces and I'll put them around the pink. So here we have one white piece, and we're going to bring that there around the pink. Then we still have this dude there. It's so hard doing this with one hand. I kind of wish I had a stand or something. Do I? What can I use as a stand? Let me see. Should I choose this thing? Like that, I guess. And put this on. Oh no, you can't even see it. Actually, that's not too bad if I keep it like that, I guess. Let me just pause it and adjust everything. I should have done this before the video started. So, right, okay, so we're back, and let me just find the white piece. Here it is, right here. And then what we're gonna do is turn it this way and bring it up. Then you have the daisy formation that we were looking for. And so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at the side piece of each white. Oh my gosh, I can't talk, can I? I'm always like that in every episode. I'm like, ah. At least this time I didn't do that at the beginning. So there's the white, and it doesn't matter which white piece you choose. I just choose this one, and it has a green side piece. So what you're gonna do is turn these 2 layers until you have a matching green. So now that these 2 are matching, what you want to do is turn this twice, 360. So now it's at the bottom with this white. Then you turn it, go to this white, and it's orange, and it's already matched. So you just turn it twice. You go to here, white, it's already matched too. You go to the blue and white, and that's also already matched. So then now you have the white cross. So step 1 done. Now what we're gonna do is solve the white corners and the first 2 layers. So what you want to do, you want to find a white corner piece like this, and let's look at the colors. It's an orange and a yellow. And so I'm gonna move it over here. Look, you're gonna find the yellow side and the orange side, and you're gonna put it so that this piece matches with that side. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring that piece there. So to do that, you turn it in the opposite direction, bring this down, turn this right, put it in, and bring it back up, and that's how you get it there. Then let's find the next white piece, which is right here. It's a white, green, and blue, so we'll match the green with the green side over here. So now that it's matched, we need to turn it the opposite direction, bring this down, turn it left to put it in, and bring it up. Oh gosh, I'm moving both of them. There. Now we just need two more. We have one white piece right here. That's a white, orange, and green. Then we're gonna match it again, so orange matches with the orange sides. And I'm sorry, I don't think it seems like orange, does it? When you look at it with all the light and stuff. And then, so yeah, you just turn it opposite direction, bring this down, put it in, and turn it up. Then there's just one more white piece, just right here. So when you have it like this, what you want to do is bring the whole layer down, turn it out of the way, bring this thing back up, and then you have it here, and you didn't mess up the white. So then this one is a yellow and blue, so we're gonna match this with the yellow side over here. Then we're gonna turn it the opposite direction, bring this white down, turn this thing in to there and bring it up. Then now what you want to do is look at your middle layer, this, and as you can see, what we want to do is fill these things in with the correct piece. As you can see, this one for me is already matched, right? No, it's not matched. In case you guys were wondering why I put like little Y things on the thing. Oh my gosh, I'm saying thing. I put the Y thing on the thing and the thing and that thing and blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, so I put the letter Y on this yellow square because now you guys are gonna learn a fact about me. But I'm, let's just say, a bit colorblind, so I kind of need the letter Y to tell that this color is yellow, because I kind of can't tell the difference between the yellow tiles and the green tiles. As you guys saw, I messed up before. So yeah, let's get on with the video. And let's see, so what are we gonna look for? Now you're gonna take the oh my gosh, I'm about to say things. Take the cube, take the white side, turn it upside down so you're looking at the bottom. Then you're gonna look at these, what's this called? Like middle tiles? Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm saying, do I? So we'll take the, orange and, yeah, no, it's green. Yeah, the orange and green, and we're gonna look for the orange and green side. So as you can see, that's yellow, this is orange and green. So what we want to do is take this orange and green tile and then turn it till this orange piece is matching with the orange side like this. Now let's look at the bottom, it's green, and let's look for the green side. So the green side is right here. We have orange here and green here. So what you want to do is, since first we need to turn this away from the place that it needs to be, because this piece needs to go there, right? So you turn it away. Then since we're going left to right, you turn the bottom towards that place. You bring this thing down, insert that piece that we wanted into that spot and bring it up. Then you have this and you need to fix the white, so we'll do that. Then we look at another piece. You look down here. There's a blue and a green. So since the green one is the one on top, we'll look for the green side, match it with the green side. The green side is here. So now we look for the blue is right here, so we turn it away, turn the bottom piece towards, bring this down, insert that piece in and bring it up. Then we need to fix the white, so we just push this up, turn this away, bring that down, put it in, and yeah. If I'm going too fast, I think I'll slow down. I hope I'm not going too fast. I really can't tell because I go even faster whenever I'm actually solving it. So let's look for another piece on the bottom. Here's one. There's a blue and a yellow. So the blue one's on top. So we gotta turn it towards the blue side. It's matching. This one's yellow. The yellow is over here. So we're going to turn this piece away, bring the bottom towards, bring this thing down, insert that piece in and bring it up. Then we're going to fix the white again. Then we look for our final piece, which is right here, an orange and a yellow. So we'll turn the orange to the orange, then we turn it away. But before that, I want to talk about a scenario. So sometimes what happens is you'll have the piece, but it'll be in that spot and it'll be opposite. So you have an orange and you'll have the orange and yellow piece, but instead of being orange and yellow, it'll be orange and yellow the opposite way. So when you do that, what you want to do is just find some random piece that doesn't belong in that spot. So don't choose one of these that are meant to fit in these places. Just choose some random thing that doesn't fit anywhere, like this pink and white thing, that a tile that I have. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do that same maneuver. So let's just pretend that this is there. I can't do it because I would end up messing up the cube and I'd have to redo it. So I'll just pretend and I'll show you. So we'll take this orange and yellow, oh my gosh, what am I saying? Pink and yellow. So we'll take that, and what you want to do, since we're pretending that that's where it's messed up, and then so what you want to do, you want to take that piece, do the same thing like you're inserting it into there, turn it away, turn this thing towards, bring it down, put it in, then fix the white. So that's all you need to do. And then after you do that, that piece that was messed up will come to this layer, and then you do the normal thing. So now that we've discussed that, let's just do what I was supposed to do earlier. Turn this away, turn this towards, bring it down, put it in, bring it up, and fix the white. There. Now that you've done that, you've solved the first two layers and the top white layer, and you're done with step 2, right? Yeah. So now what you're going to do, you're going to turn it upside down and it's going to stay that way until you finish solving it. So that's all the work you did with the top part, the white side. So now we're on to step 3. And this is where we start doing algorithms. So I have my little algorithm sheet and I can show you all the algorithms. Move my finger out of the way. Yeah. So basically there are 3 basic algorithms at this spot. If I can just like focus. Is it not gonna focus? Please, camera. Come on, camera, are you kidding me? Just focus. Gosh, oh my god. Is this not gonna focus? There. I think it's focused. There. So as you can see, there's hook, and then Now you guys are wondering, whoa, what in the world is this stuff? It's like F equals C. Is this a math class or something? No, don't worry about that. Of course it's not math class. It's Rubik's Cube class. So basically what this means, pick it up, is basically, I'll put this in here, use it. So you have F. So basically what F is where do you have it? You put the Rubik's Cube down. F is the front side. So this is F, turning this to, like, I really need to get a stand. Please help me. Here, let me just pause it and get ready. Yeah, hello, so here we are again. So basically, let's see, there's front, this is front, so turning it this way is front, this is right, this is left, this is back, this is top, and this is bottom. I think I got everything. I don't think we ever use bottom in any of the algorithms. So let's start. So as you can see, there's one for hook, one for bar, and then square. Those are the three basic patterns. So as you can see, I have a bar. Some people might have gotten a hook, which is a pink tile there, or a yellow tile, whatever color you choose to be your opposite. In this case, mine was pink, so whenever a pink tile is there, you have a hook. And I don't mean only that, it could be that, and that. Doesn't matter, there's multiple combinations, but as long as you have that basic hook structure, then it's considered a hook. And then square is basically just that, but not really just that, because sometimes you can have like kind of like a checker, a pink there, a pink there, a pink there, and pink there. But the basic structure is just one square there. The basic structure for bar is just a bar. The basic structure for hook is a hook. And yeah, so now let's get into the algorithm. So basically for bar, as you can see, you can do F, R, U, R, U, F, or what I do for memorizing purposes, just so you don't have to memorize a crud ton of stuff, you can just do the hook combination 2 times. And for the square, I don't really know a specific algorithm for that. I just used what it says, do the hook pattern until you get to the hook pattern. Then you do it one more time, and then you get where you're normally going to get with all these. So for doing a bar, I'm just going to show you how it is right now. I'm just going to do this one. I'm not going to do the 2x of hook. I'll just do F, R, U, R, U, F, that thing. So let me just put this one back. So it says right here, F. Let me try and move it so you guys can see. It says, should I get it to stand? I think I can get it to stand. If I fold it like this, it'll stand, I think. There, I think I got it to stand. There. So what I'm gonna do is what the algorithm says. So, which side am I on here? So, basically what I'm gonna do is, struggling so much to do this. It says front clockwise, which means you do it in the clockwise direction. Then you have right clockwise, so you do the right side clockwise. Then it says up clockwise, so that means you turn the up side clockwise. Then it says right counterclockwise, so you do right counterclockwise. Then up counterclockwise, so you do up counterclockwise. Then front counterclockwise, so that. Then you get another pattern. So basically, now we're moving to this thing. It says after YC, and that means yellow color. That's what I meant by it. Just like pause and think for a moment. I'm having a moment to think. Okay, good. There. So basically, there are three basic structures that you could have gotten after doing those algorithms. One is like a little hourglass. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pinks. Then there's another structure which is the cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pinks. And then after that there's another structure which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pink. And when you get that, what you're going to do is this algorithm. So you'd hold it this way, do that algorithm. And then after that, you would get to this step. My cube kind of skipped a step. I guess I was a bit lucky, but I'm not too happy about that now. Whenever I'm trying to solve it quickly, I would be happy about that, but right now I'm trying to teach you. So I'm a bit unhappy my cube skipped that step. But you guys know what I mean now. So whenever you get that cross, you just turn it this way, do that algorithm. If you get the hourglass, I think what you want to do is turn it this way, do that algorithm. But after you do that, they all lead to this one. Oh my gosh, it dropped. This one design called the fish. What should I call it? The tail and then the head. So what you want to do is, okay, there's a pink piece right there. And what you're going to do is this algorithm. So let me move it this side. So it's right clockwise. Oh my gosh, the thing unfocused because I put my hand through. Up clockwise. Right counterclockwise. Up clockwise. Right clockwise. Up 2 times. Right counterclockwise. Then after that you get the fish, which is upside down. So what you want to do is always have the fish tail in the top right hand corner. And there was one thing I accidentally forgot to mention about the hook. I just remembered it right now thinking about specific corners that the patterns need to be in. For the hook, what you want to do is make sure that the hook is on the top left corner like that before you do the algorithm. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that, but yeah. So then you have the fish like this, and you notice that the pink is right there, which is what we want, because now once we do this algorithm one more time, the pink side will be completely solved. So let's do it. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up 2 times, and right counterclockwise. And then you have your pink side solved. So now it's on to step 4, which is solving these corner pieces. So if you see, I have these 2 orange corners. So what I'm going to do is turn them to the orange side, which is this. Then that side that I have partially solved, or the closest to being solved, I'm going to turn that away and perform this new algorithm, which I have here. If you look here, for you guys that are going to do the algorithm, you might want to pause it here because I'm going to drop it to do the algorithm. I can't hold both at once. So as you can see, top corners. If you have no same corners, you're going to do this algorithm twice. If you have same corners like me, then you're going to do this algorithm. And also if you have, you end up having one side completely solved, don't worry, just turn that side the same way how I did the orange, and then turn it away and do the same thing. Then, so let me perform this algorithm. So once I've turned it away, like how I have, we're gonna do it, which is right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 2 times, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right clockwise, back 2 times, and right 2 times. So, here I am. I ended up messing it up because I guess I didn't do the algorithm properly because I was focusing on this recording. So I have it here again, orange, and then I'm going to do this algorithm one more time to show you guys. So I'm going to pay attention to this thing this time. So it's right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 2 times, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 2 times, and front right 2 times. Then you have this, and then when you get it, you want to match the sides, so glue together wait, what did I do? Did I do it right? Yes, I did it right. Good. I thought I messed up for some reason. So now what we're gonna do is move to the final step and upload. So hard to record. It's top middle. So basically, now what we're gonna do is to just stay still for 1 second. George, need to hold it. Thank you. Jeez. So now you're gonna look at these center pieces. So let's just take the blue side, I guess. You have an orange piece, and the orange side is here. So this thing needs to go counterclockwise to this side. So in this case, I would use the CC counterclockwise version, and then if let's just say for you guys, you have the same orange piece or whatever piece, and that piece needs to go to this side in order for it to be completely soft, then you would do this normal thing, this normal one. But I want you guys to notice something. If you look closely at the algorithms, you realize that they're just the exact opposite of each other, including the counterclockwise and clockwise. So the right that's here is there, the right 2x that's there is there, the counterclockwise here is now clockwise there. So for memorizing purposes, you just need to memorize one of them, uno, and that'll make it a lot easier because you just need to do the opposite instead of just memorizing 2 of them. So what I'm gonna do is perform the counterclockwise one because that's what I need to do. So let's look at it. I'm gonna pay attention this time. I was no, can't make it stand. You guys are gonna have to pause it in that spot. So let's see. Oh, and also what I wanted to say is some of you might already have one solved side, and as I said earlier, you're gonna turn that side away, then do whichever algorithm you need. So for me, right counterclockwise is the one I need. Or what am I saying? The counterclockwise one, not right counterclockwise. So right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, right 2 times. Then you'll get here, and if you're like me who was unfortunate and didn't have any complete solved sides at first, Then I will now have one complete solved side. Then let me just pause the video quickly because my parents are calling. Yeah, so hello, I'm back, and now is the final step, which I just need to do this algorithm one more time. So let's look at the cube. Let's see, we have orange and orange here. So we got to do the counterclockwise one again. And you have, so let's do it. Right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, right 2 times. And that should do it. And yeah. So hopefully your Rubik's Cube should be solved. If you guys have any questions that I might have missed in this video, that happens in a lot of like Rubik's teaching videos on how to solve it. You sometimes miss some. Whoa, what was that? Did a bird just run into my window? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So in the comments, leave any questions you have, or if you liked it, just smash the like button, as I always say. And what are those noises? And I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this and learned how to solve your Rubik's Cube. Peace.